Looking to dive into the world of trading, discover how to maximize your profits with our step-by-step guide on using the Plus500 trading platform. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, there are tips and tricks that can elevate your trading game and unlock your financial potential. Don't miss out, let's get started. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use Plus500 trading platform. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into plus500.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So right now you have just to click over start with to act and you start your signing up. So if you find any problem in signing up, you have just to download the VPN. Here we have free VPN from Chrome, VPN proxy VPN. So you have just to download it and you'll find it here. You have just to click over it and you switch it on. Then you get started with Plus500. So welcome to our guide on Plus500, the popular trading platform known for its user-friendly interface and diverse range of financial instruments. In this video, we'll define Plus500 and explore its features that attract traders worldwide. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, there is something here for you. Stick around until the end for exclusive tips to enhance your trading journey. So let's get started. So once you sign up, you'll find other page, which is this one, as you can see. So using the Plus500 trading platform, it's easy and user-friendly. Start by creating an account and completing the verification process. Once you are logged in, explore various financial instruments like stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies to place a trade. Select your asset, decide whether to buy or sell, and set your investment amount. Don't forget to utilize features like stop loss and take profit orders to manage your risk effectively. So here we have the home page. You have just to click over get started and you will find the other page, which is this one. So you have to write your personal information as I did. Then you have to answer this information as you can see. And you will find also other questions. You have just to answer it. Then you click over next and you get started. So in the home page we have here other options. I will show you which options I was talking about. So for example, here we have, if you want to search most popular, for example, here we have all popular, spotlight, popular options, risers and followers. We have my watch lists, commodities options as well. Furthermore, we have here indices, crypto also, forex options as well, forex, and we have here indices options. Moreover, we have here shares options, and would not forget shares also. Alright, and here we have it. For example, you can just select Hong Kong here and just select if it's sell or buy, and then you have to get started. So for example, you have to expect if you want to grow up or if you want to diminish. So this is it. Also here we have other options like expand to full screen. We have here for draw. Here we have the option, of course, here. For example, hide heads up to display, show heads up display, and we have here also this option. You can just switch to buy price or you can switch to the sell price. All right. Then here we have also range selector. We have here open chart on new window. Then in the right we have here multiple charts view, line. Then we have here indicators, views, and the minutes here. Also here we have the minutes. For example, set is 5 minutes, 1 hour, 5 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. Then we have 3 months here, 1 year, and max also. So here we have of templates. You can just select the one you want. Then we have here the chart types such as candles, bar, colored bar, line, colored line, vertex line, step, mantle, baseline, hollow candle, fallen candle. Then we have here data point, histogram, aggregated types. Then we have here also indicators, for example, active indicators, favorites, common indicators, and indicator library. Just to search for indicators. All right. Then we have here views. can just save views here. Then we have here select the time. So this is about the tick. And also in the left we will find other options like open positions, orders. Then we have here closed positions, insights as well. For example, in the insights, you will find here exclusive access to millions of Plus500 customers' activity in real time. For example, we have your most traded, most viewed, and most followed. You can just filters. You have just to choose the most follows or the most profile making up, highest profile. Then you click for apply, and then you get started with it. Then we find here also funds. For example, for a deposit, if you want to withdraw also, and you'll find here also account snapshot, payment methods, and contact us. Then here we have wanna make it dark, and here we have wanna switch to the demo mode. So the demo mode is just for trying, and then we can just also switch to the real money mode. Alright, here we have switched to the real money mode. Then we have here also live and support. So alright, this is how you can use this platform for trading. So it's very helpful for beginners or for experienced to use this platform of trading, which is plus500.com. So you can just educate and start trading, and you earn money with that. So this is it. So using the Plus500 trading platform is easy and user friendly. You can just start by creating an account and completing the verification process. Then you have to place a trade, select your asset, decide whether to buy or sell, and set your investment amount. So if we scroll down, we will find also here other information such as why we use 500 Plus500. So for example, we have the first one, which is protected at safe. Your data is safe and your money is kept in separate bank account in accordance with legal requirements. We have here regulated Plus500 as is authorized and regulated by the Estonian Financial Supervision and Financial Settlement Authority. Then we have here a label. Plus500 is an FTSE 250 company listed on the main market of the London Stock Exchange for listed companies. Then if we scroll down, you will find here smart to act. For example, if you want to practice your strategy, you have just to try our free demo account before opening a real trading account to explore our intuitive trading platform and improve your skills. Then we have here expand your knowledge, also learn more about trading CFDs with Plus500 using our comprehensive educational materials. You have just to open the commercial academy. Then we have you manage your risk, use our advanced risk management tools to limit your losses and record profit. So this is how you can get started and start earning money on trading, especially using the plus500.com platform. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.